another knife here. She's buck sirus. Spring assisted. 420 stainless. The scales are 2.6 aluminium. They have a little safety, a safety lock up here, as well as you've got the liner lock down here. A very aggressive liner lock on the thumb though. Oh, I just used my bloody thumbnail with the turn out there. Nice little knife they are though. I've used this one quite a bit, and I tell you what, for 420, my word, she gets a mighty fine edge on her. I believe the spring in these is the same coil spring as what they'd use in a automatic. Pretty sure the SOGs use a coil spring as well. Nice little knives. Such a shame that we in Australia are not allowed to have them anymore. Oh well. Yeah, this little lock here, that's just so you don't let it off in your pocket. Nice little snap to her, boys. Right, so that's the buck sirus. Oh, you can also, you can just use the thumb stud to open it. The thumb stud or the flipper. But the flipper on this one works really well. And it's not a very big one, it's only small. But she's a pretty powerful spring in these. So she launches pretty well. Alright boys, ready, take her easy. Next time.